This is a disclaimer. No disrespect to no one. I'm talking about me. Right now. Me don't care in the media, me no business about the news, me do 10 years of prison about no sexual abuse. No tear the from my rectum and me ain't no abuse. Big up great amazement, Butch Bandin and dancing. Take the word and pass.
People over here be wondering what really makes Jamaica so popular, and I say to them, it's not the scamming, it's not the drugs, it's not the violence, it's no political help, you know. And I say to them, sports and reggae music is really what puts Jamaica on top.
You might want to know how this evolved, so without further delay, I'm gonna reveal right away. The aim of its founder, Andrea Davis, is to create a yearly global reggae party on July 1. The idea for International Reggae Day came to her following a speech by Winnie Mandela, who talked about the inspiration reggae music gave to the people of South Africa in their fight against apartheid. This motivated Andrea Davis to launch the first International Reggae Day in 1994. Jamaicans and people around the world are invited to participate in the I Love JA campaign by wearing their reggae colors, listen to reggae, log on to the Reggae IRD website, and you know IRD is for International Reggae Day. Log on to their website and just all a vibe. Reggae music impacted millions or perhaps billions of people worldwide. And thanks to the many foreigners who love and support our music and culture. I've seen Rihanna, Drake, Nicki Minaj, Busta Rhymes, and more dabbling in our music, which is a good thing, I think. And the other day when I saw the historic versus clash with Beenie Man and Bounty Killer, thanks to Switz Beats and Timbaland for that. Jamaican music is super effective.
We in a happy mood, because we find a happy groove, nobody's on a rotten mood, attitude, show a little gratitude.
There's no possible way I could be talking about reggae and not mention a word about the gong, the King Gong. Yeah, you heard about the Wailers, right? Band that started by Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, Bunny Wailer in 1963. Is perhaps the most recognized band that made the transition through all three stages in early Jamaican popular music: ska, rocksteady, and reggae. Precisely. That's all them. And believe you me, Bob was never wrong when he said, them I got tired to see me face. Rasta, them can't get you out of the race. Anyway, Jimmy Cliff is another important icon, actor, artist I could not leave out. With a net worth 18 million, I think he's indeed the richest Jamaican artist. I might do another video about the top 10 richest Jamaican artists, but I don't know, just tell me what you think about that in your comments, and I will just do that. Now it's important I mention few artists that doing tremendously well for reggae, although you might be aware. In Jamaica, some people kind of split the thing and say dancehall are the hardcore type of vibe and reggae are the singing type of vibe. But in the world, them call the whole thing reggae. So, I'm going to make you know what I go on. Big up to some artists who set the thing real way, like Shaggy Sean Paul, the Marley Brothers, Stone Boy from Ghana, Maxi Priest, Buju Banton, Beenie Man, Bounty Killer, Coffee, Sizzla, Burra Banton, Master Graphics, Judy Mowat, Cool Eric, Yellowman, Chronix, Dennis Brown, Lady G, and Wally more. Just to name a few as me say. And please do not bash me for not mentioning your favorite artists. I did say more, okay? And more. Too much to call right now. And really, I really glorify entertainers who elaborate in the music about killing people for no reason. Too much guns, drugs, scamming, sexually using and abusing our females. And ladies, listen to me. Wanna stop make some boy style on like on some dancehall puppet and clown. Now make them have on come around. You're a queen, skin clean. Good hygiene. Tell them boy to stop move mean. Seen? Dancehall today is lacking in creativity is a thought that lingers in my mind. Do you agree or disagree? Feel free to share your opinion. Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziyah, the great collections. Me have whole heap of merchandise, I'm going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziyah The Great Collection on IG and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziyah The Great Music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.